Hello guys, welcome to our channel. Today I am going to show you how to disable Instagram without deleting it on iPhone. Okay, so let's get started. Then first of all, click on Instagram app, tap on profile icon, click on three line option. After that, tap on account center and scroll down and tap on personal details. Click on account ownership and control, then tap on deactivation or deletion. Click on Facebook profile, click on Instagram profile and just tap on delete, click on continue. That's all to disable Instagram without deleting. Thanks for watching. Please like, comments and subscribe. Thank you.